In a leafy residential neighborhood of Nagoya, Japan, stands the fortress-like residence called Takamine-cho House. The two-story, 2,045-square-foot home occupies a sloped corner lot. The program is inverted, with the bedrooms located on the lower level and all the social functions of the house on the upper floor. The house consists of 2 volumes, a stone pyramid and an exposed concrete block. The 2 street-facing facades have no windows, creating a completely private refuge. The project was developed by the local studio Tomoaki Uno Architects for a client who wanted a home built using the traditional masonry method known as field masonry, which initially left Tomoaki Uno a bit puzzled during the design process. Since this type of masonry construction is traditionally used in Japan only for castle foundations, fortress bases, and stone walls, he looked to Aztec architecture for inspiration. It was the Tenayuca pyramid in Mexico that helped resolve this design challenge. Although it may not be considered architecture in the conventional sense, its architectural form is impressive when compared to Japanese masonry. It was recreated using the traditional Japanese method, resulting in the construction of the first pyramid in Japan using this technique. However, instead of housing a sarcophagus room, its interior serves as the resident's study. The pyramidal study can be accessed internally through the living area or directly from the street. Designed to protrude from a corner of the residence, the stone pyramid sits next to a central courtyard and a water garden. The rest of the home is built with concrete, giving it a more introspective character. The spaces range from bright and open areas near the internal courtyard to soft, dimly lit corners within the pyramid. The interiors are dominated by raw concrete surfaces, which, while often seen as a cold and rigid material, create a safe and welcoming atmosphere in the Takamine-cho House. The upper floor of Takamine-cho House features an L-shaped layout, housing the living, dining, and kitchen areas, which open to the courtyard through glass curtain walls. The upper level also includes a private courtyard that brings natural light into the introverted home, along with a tranquil water feature in one corner. Contrasting with the concrete and stone, black ironwork was used for the courtyard doors and internally for the handles of the sliding wooden doors and the stair railings. On the lower floor of the house are the main suite and 4 smaller bedrooms, arranged around the garage. The bedrooms are brightened with warm, light wood elements, such as shelves and cabinets. Apart from the large glass openings facing the courtyard, the house contains only a few small windows, opting instead for a series of skylights in its exposed concrete ceiling.